Hello guys, and welcome to talk about Sandbox. Sandbox is a great coin. It has been tremendous in the last bull cycle about gaming tokens and all this bullness and all this volatility. It's incredible. Sandbox is an isolated testing environment that enables users to run programs or open files without affecting the application system or platform on which is their own. Right now, Sandbox, on looking at the charts, is sitting around 0.54 cent per coin. It has done a tremendous and incredible bullish candle at around 30% up. Retest back, and from here has created all this liquidity that, in my opinion, we're going to do a price swap. We will take some liquidity grab, and from there, I'm going to see Sandbox. The next stop will be around $1.3 per coin. Retest back to around $1 per coin, and from there I'm going to see a tremendous with so volatility, with use rates being cut, with all the technology has been around it, reach $3 to $4 per coin. Retest back for the last time around 3.5, $3.7 per coin, with all of those support and resistance sitting at, and from there I want to see the skyrocket to $10 per coin. It is possible. It's high probable scenario. So right now, Sandbox can do this. I believe it's amongst the post 3 to 5 cryptocurrencies and on its knees. It's always incredible. So stay tuned, stay positive, stay bullish on Sandbox. Subscribe for more, guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye, guys.